AWD, leather, Carfax one owner, and clean Carfax. Come to the experts. Leather. Want to save some money? Get the new look for the used price on this one-owner vehicle. Previous owner purchased it brand new. This roomy FX35, with its grippy AWD, will handle anything Mother Nature decides to throw at you during one of her bad days at work. It scored the top rating in the IIHS frontal offset test. New Car Test Drive said. Designed for performance and style, it avoids the boxy proportions of traditional SUVs. It runs like a bionic cheetah. The FX is based on the same platform as the Nissan Z and Infiniti G sports cars, meaning sporty.